Chapter 1, Living and Non-Living. Students, as you all know that our earth is full of wonderful things. There are people and pets, flowers and birds, rockets and buildings, cars and buses, roads and bridges, and of course, air and water. Some of these things like cars, buildings, roads and bridges are made by humans. So they are called man-made things. But things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon and the stars have not been made by humans. Nature gave these things to us, so they are called natural things. People, animals, plants are living things. Natural and man-made are non-living things. Now, in this picture, you can see living and non-living things. People, plants and animals are living things. Teddy, ball, doll, balloon, cloud and skateboard. They are non-living things. Students, living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Like living things grow. A human baby grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen. So they grow and change because all living things grow. Okay, now tell me, can a small doll grow into a big doll? No, it cannot. Because dolls, rocks, air and water do not grow. Because they are non-living things. Living things move. The movement of living things shows that they are alive. Birds and insects fly. Dogs and cats walk. Fish swim. These animals move because they have life. Okay, now tell me, can a table move by itself? No, we have to move it. Therefore, we can say that only living things move on their own. Living things need food. Children, sometimes you feel so hungry that you cannot wait for lunch or dinner to be served. You need food to live. Food helps you to grow. Animals get their food from plants or other plants. Most plants make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Does your doll ever need food? No, it does not. It is not a living thing. Only living things need food. Living things breathe. Okay, cover your nose and mouth with your hand for some time. How long you can breathe? Stay without breathing, not even for a minute. Human beings cannot live without breathing. They need air to breathe. Animals have lungs, gills, or air holes to breathe. So, only living things breathe. Now, cover the nose of a teddy bear. What will happen? Nothing will happen to it because it is non-living things and non-living things do not breathe. Living things reproduce. Human beings and animals, they reproduce because only living things reproduce. But non-living things do not reproduce. So, in this way, we can say that living things eat, breathe, grow and reproduce, but non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow and reproduce. Now, we will learn the difference between living and non-living things. Living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe to live. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food, air, water to live. but non-living things do not eat food. Living things move from one place to another on their own, but non-living things do not move from one place to another by itself. Living things feel because they have sense organs, but non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce, they have babies, but non-living things do not reproduce. So, children, in this way, we learned living and non living things.